Have you ever been told that if you just work hard enough, you'll eventually become wealthy? It sounds logical. Work more hours, put in more effort, stay disciplined, and success will follow. But when you look at reality, something doesn't add up. There are millions of hardworking people who are still struggling financially, while others seem to build wealth without working nearly as hard. To truly understand why this happens, we must look into the deep structures of how money and time interact in our economy. Today, we're breaking down why hard work alone will never make you wealthy and what actually does. If you want to understand how wealth is really built through smarter habits, consider subscribing to Wealtiny and liking the video. Hard work creates income, but it doesn't automatically create wealth. Income is what you earn today. Wealth is what you own that pays for tomorrow. When you work for money, your income is directly tied to your time and energy. You are essentially a miniature engine with a fixed fuel tank. Think about this. Even if you doubled how hard you work, could you realistically double your income long term? Total exhaustion hits before total wealth. This is where leverage comes in. Leverage means using systems or assets to multiply results beyond your own physical effort. In finance, leverage often shows up through investments or businesses. You shift from being the worker to being the architect of the system. For example, investing allows your money to generate returns. This connects to compound interest, where earnings generate additional earnings. Money can work 24 hours a day, can you? Your miniature garden of assets grows while you're asleep, provided you've planted correctly. Two people can work equally hard, but if one is focused on high-value activities, their financial outcomes will diverge drastically. Wealth tends to follow value creation. Solving bigger problems or creating scalable solutions often leads to higher income potential. Even if someone works hard, poor financial habits can prevent wealth from building. This is the leaky bucket syndrome. As the miniature house gets nicer, the savings account stays empty. Earning more doesn't matter if you're also spending more. Another key factor is ownership. Owners build and manage systems that can produce income even when they're not actively involved. You must eventually cross the bridge from being the tool to owning the tool. Do you earn money, or do you own things that earn money? Hard work often requires constant input. If you stop working, the flow of income may stop. This creates a state of vulnerability. Strategy focuses effort towards saving, investing, and managing risk. It's the difference between wandering a maze and navigating it with a compass. Hard work is the fuel, but it is not the engine. To truly scale, you must look beyond your own two hands. Look at your current situation and ask, is this scalable? Can it grow beyond your limited time and energy? Hard work can help you survive, but strategy, leverage, and ownership are what help you thrive and build lasting wealth. Subscribe to Wealtiny and turn on the notification bell. The systems you build will eventually set you free.